All right, so for Christmas, I received this beautiful lamp. Kind of puts me into a tropical paradise vibe. It's got these really nice leaf design on it, so it makes you feel like you're in a little bit of paradise. But I love when I walk into a room and I just see little pops of glowing light instead of using the big, huge lights. Obviously, I'm using the lights for the camera today, but I really like this. It's a really nice warm light, and it's just really pretty with this, almost like this translucent emerald green that we've got going on. Or sage green that we've got going on. So it just looks really pretty. But I wanted to show you, this has an automatic timer on it. And so I'm just gonna flip it over. The on switch is on here, and the timer also has a setting as well. And so what this will do is it will set for 6 hours on and 18 hours off. So if you were going out of town on vacation, or just around the time that you're in the room that you want to use this, you want to set it for that particular time frame. It'll last 6 total hours, and then it'll go to sleep. And then it'll power back on when it needs, after 18 hours is over. So think about if you wanted the room to be able to have the light at 6 p.m., you could set that. It would last till midnight. Most people are going to sleep by then, if not already. And then you would have it off for 18 total hours. So if you're out of town, want to put it in a window, or just again have it ready to go for your favorite room, there's a timer. It's really nice. So here it is. I obviously have lots of lights on right now, but it's just really pretty. It puts off this really nice shape that it's got going on just because of the design that's on the glass, and I just thought it was really nice. So whether it's sitting next to your bedside, on your bedside table in your bedroom, or you have it in a corner of a living room or in an office, or just a nice little nook area, this is the perfect amount of light to give you what you're looking for, whether it's setting the ambiance or it's giving you just something to be able to see a little bit around. So, but again, really nice, cool timer feature that it has, and just really nice on-off switch and beautiful design. So recommend, if you're looking for something a little different, more of this hurricane glass look, recommend checking out this designer.